Chris works in the data engineering team of the world's most popular photo sharing app. He has a lazy orange cat, and his favorite food is anything that can be delivered. Amy is a data scientist, with a ride-sharing app most of us use every day. Her coding buddy is her fluffy black dog, and she loves to eat out every chance she gets. Kirk is a machine learning dev, with a very popular entertainment streaming app. He enjoys cooking fresh food every day. He is, unfortunately, allergic to pets. Chris, Kirk, and Amy don't have a lot in common. But there is one thing. ActiveState Platform. The open-source language automation platform that the three of them use to keep their work reproducible, secure, and automated. The ActiveState Platform lets you build custom language distributions on demand. ActiveState's Python provides all the packages for data science and machine learning, and is also pre-optimized for computational performance. Normally developers end up wasting days installing and configuring Python packages before they can even kick off their project. Whether you are a complete beginner venturing into machine learning, or an experienced developer working on some fresh machine learning projects, ActiveState's Python can save you time so you can focus on actual data science. Join Chris, Kirk, Amy, and hundreds of thousands of developers around the world by using ActiveState. Sign up for free and start today.